All right, for your secret annex product, this is going to be, for my class, but also it's going to give you some enrichment that I talked to Miss Anderson about. So this is a really good project because it's bringing in also some higher level mathematics and critical thinking for you guys. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to design your own secret annex. So first, you want to create your own secret annex. You're going to find a place in your house where you could probably hide safely. So, say for instance, you have a closet, maybe you wanted to do that, and you can just visualize your closet expanding into a secret annex like Anne. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of that and you're going to load it into the PowerPoint. So, that's worth 5 points. Number two, you're going to draw up the blueprint of your secret annex. You're going to label the rooms and the items of the rooms, and you're going to load that picture into the PowerPoint. However, you guys are going to give me a blueprint mathematics that I'm going to show you, which essentially means I want you to figure out the dimensions of each room you are creating, and that is going to be worth 5 points. Then you're going to answer questions about your secret annex. Each are worth 2 points, so that is 6 point totals. And then you can tell us any extra information you want to know about your secret annex, which is 1 point. Okay, so for your first, to remind you, your secret annex is a hideout. It should be smaller than your house. It should have reasonable belongings. It should be able to depict the difference between a regular house and a secret annex. So, don't add a ping pong machine to your house because obviously you're in hiding and that would make too much noise. Okay, so only bring reasonable things. All right, so let's go to your blueprint print directions. You are going to have one blank piece of paper, which is 11 inches long, 8 inches wide. Your task is to take one of these pieces of paper and divide it into multiple lifelike rooms for your secret annex. So each room should be labeled, furniture placed in locations of your likings, and the exact dimensions of each room should be labeled. You can use regular paper, you can use graph paper to find the area, the dimensions of the room. You can use a ruler, you can use anything you have at home. However, to scale this to make this lifelike, every quarter of an inch is going to be equal 1 foot. Okay, so if you have graph paper, that would probably be 1 square, but you can measure it if you need to. A quarter of an inch on a ruler, if you look at the ruler, is going to be this um, middle longer line in. Okay, so it's only 1/4 of the way in from an inch, which then would equal a foot. So normal rooms are like 8 by 11, 12 by 10, 8 by 8. So you can choose how you want to design your room. However, I'm going to leave that up to you, but I want you to be able to figure out what is the area of each room. Okay, so that is your ultimate goal. So if you have a living room, how big is your living room? What's the area? If you have a few bedrooms, what is the size of each bedroom? Okay, you don't have to worry about the furniture. However, you can still draw that in there, but I want you to figure out how big each room would be. And then each room should equal your total of your paper, which is exactly 11 inches and 8 inches wide. Okay, sounds good. If you have questions, let me know in class and I can help you. All right.